Hold it for 2 seconds.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. Pass that bitch like Stockton.
Today we're gonna take out the Supra and try the Rolling Anti-lag from BM3. Since BM3 released their update, I've been wanting to try the anti-lag, but I recently installed my DAW Turbo and I went through 2-3 weeks of revisions. So my tune is finally done, and I'm gonna take out the car and see how it does. I hope it works because especially when you race high horsepower V8s, they have an advantage because they have the power instantly, where when you have a turbo car, you have a turbo lag. So of course you can brake boost, but it's nice to have an anti-lag. I really hope it works. It's like 45 degrees out, and we gotta drive around, warm up the tires, because I'm pretty sure we're gonna spin bad. Yeah, when BM3 released their very long-awaited update for the Supras, I was really excited for the Rolling Anti-lag. So I'm excited. I have not tried it before. My tuner recommended me to not use it that often, but I want to try it out before winter comes. I've been trying to understand how this really works. So I guess you leave the car in drive, you click and hold the cruise control button for like 2 seconds while applying a little bit of gas. You have to hold it for I think like 2 or 3 seconds, and then you have to press the gas all the way down, and that's how you activate the anti-lag. So we'll see if that works. And yeah, just like that, summer is gone. I mean, I've missed a month and a half of waiting for my ECU. I mean, I've missed so much time waiting for my ECU to come back, and hopefully next year I won't have the car being in the shop for so long. I got my traction control off, so let's see. Hold it for 2 seconds. I was not expecting that. Holy, I'm pretty sure I felt how the traction kicked in. This is weird, I don't know. So what happened was I forgot to put the car in sport mode. That's why the traction control wasn't fully off. So we're gonna try this again. Okay, let's put the car in sport mode and then turn off traction fully off. Okay, let's try this again. 40 miles per hour. That was a good pull, but I don't think the cruise control worked. I think we gotta do this again. Let's try this again. I'm not sure if it's building boost, to be honest. I don't think I'm doing this properly. I think I gotta hold, then press the gas all the way down, and then release. Been reading some comments, and this guy says, as you're giving some throttle around 2,500 RPMs, hold bottom up for 2 seconds, then engage full throttle for a second or two, and then let go of the button to fully engage the rolling anti-lag. So let's see if that works. Alright, hold this for 2 seconds. Yeah, I felt it. I don't don't think I'm doing this right. Maybe I don't... Fuck, I think I gotta watch some more videos. Doing that right. I'm gonna try again. For some damn reason, when I activate the cruise control, my traction control turns back on. So I don't know what's going on. Yeah, I don't know. For some reason it's not working. I think that was enough abusing of the car for today. And anyway, we're getting a lot of traffic. It's Friday. If anyone of you that are watching the video is using BM3 and has tried the rolling anti-lag, please let me know how to do it, because obviously it didn't work for me. Alright, well, I'm not really sure the anti-lag worked. I wasn't able to do more runs so I can test it because there was a lot of traffic. But yeah, for some reason when you activate the cruise control, when you hold it, the traction control turns back on again for some reason. So I don't know, if somebody knows how to use it, please let me know down in the comments, because it will be very nice if I use it when I race big V8s. I'm glad that I'm having a hybrid turbo, because there isn't really a big turbo lag compared to the big turbo setups. So it's not really noticeable. Once you hit the car from 3,500 RPMs, turbo spools all the way up. Feels good. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna stick to brake boosting for now. Peace.